built like a beast, blows like a god. Corsair 5000D RGB airflow case, hands-on madness. Ever tried building your dream PC only to get wrecked by a case that's hotter than your CPU? Yeah, we've been there. You're mid-build, fingers sliced from sharp panels, airflow's a myth, cable management's a tangle from tech hell, and don't even get started on RGB setups that act more like a disco seizure than a light show. It's frustrating, draining, and leaves you feeling like your high-end rig belongs in 2012. You want power, not a PC sauna. You want style, not another boring black box. You want your case to work with you, not against you. But it gets worse. That messy wiring? Now you can't close the side panel. Your GPU's roasting. Your fans sound like a jet engine. Dead zones kill your airflow, and your RGB lighting? Yeah, it flickers like haunted house decor. Deadlines to finish your build slip. You lose momentum. Burnout creeps in, because even your hardware is sabotaging your vision. Suddenly, building isn't fun anymore, it's work. And all because the one thing holding your rig together is holding you back. Brutal, right? Enter the Corsair 5000D RGB Airflow, the case that gets it. This mid-tower monster comes armed with 3 AF120 RGB Elite fans, air-guide tech for targeted cooling, and a front panel that breathes better than your lungs in springtime. The Rapid Route cable management system makes routing cables feel like slicing butter with a lightsaber, clean, smooth, and satisfying. And with support for 12 fans, multiple 360mm radiators, and room for next-gen GPUs, this case doesn't just meet the bar, it throws it across the room and builds a better one. From modern input and output ports to a glass panel that shows off your flex, every inch of the 5000D screams premium and performance. Whether you're into air or liquid cooling, the massive internal space is a canvas for your creativity. And did we mention the IQ Lighting Node Pro is included? Full spectrum RGB control straight out of the box, baby. No messy software hunts, no third-party weirdness, just pure synced-up aesthetic bliss. Wanna elevate your PC game? This case is the cheat code. Stick around. You're gonna want to see this beast in action. Thousands of PC enthusiasts have already made the switch, and they're not looking back. Don't wait until your current setup melts down or your fans throw a tantrum midstream. Act now, stock doesn't last long when something this gorgeous and powerful hits the shelves. You've seen the specs, you've felt the pain of inferior gear, so why settle? Join the movement. Build smarter. Build cooler. Build louder, or quieter, your choice. Click the link, grab the Corsair 5000D RGB Airflow, and let your rig finally live up to your vision. Your future setup just found its heart.